Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm on a plane going to Budapest. So, I don't have time to cook something for you guys, but I have something to show you. I filmed this long time ago and I kinda want to try experimenting with this kind of video game. So, please take a look and let me know what you think. Let's get started!
Oh my god, so good. So good. So good.
Hello guys, thank you for watching. If you like this episode, please hit the like and subscribe. And if you want to see more video, it's over there, and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below and I will make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!